Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and we have breaking news out of the New York case of former President and President-elect Donald Trump. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. And if you're not watching us on YouTube, please click that address or look at type that address in the lower right-hand corner. It's youtube.com/@explainamerica. And when you get there, please hit subscribe absolutely free. It really helps us out. President Donald Trump, or President-elect Donald Trump's legal team, they're flying high right now because they know that they got a big victory with the case being delayed. They know that the sentencing never happened. Now the sentencing is delayed until who knows when. And the team is saying now it has to be dismissed. Now, I'm not a legal expert. Can't weigh in here, but it seems to me that it would be the prudent thing to do when you have the president-elect, the next president of the United States, and you have to sentence him, that maybe you should dismiss this thing, considering it's a nonsense crime to begin with. I want to know what you guys think after you watch this report, so let me know, and please give me your comments in the comment section.
So much. And we want to turn to more breaking news right now. Just into CNN, Donald Trump's legal team is asking Judge Merchan to dismiss the criminal hush money case now that he has been elected president. CNN's Paula Reed joins us. This wasn't a surprise, but it's still significant.
It is significant. In this two-page letter, Trump's lawyers lay out their arguments for why they believe this case should be tossed. Just yesterday, the Manhattan District Attorney's Office said they're okay with delaying sentencing in this case until after Trump is out of the White House, but they said they're going to fight any attempt to dismiss this case, where Trump was, of course, convicted on 34 counts of falsifying business records. But today, they laid out their arguments. The Trump team saying that now that Trump is president-elect, this case must be dismissed. They say, quote, just as a sitting president is completely immune from any criminal process, so too is President Trump as president-elect. So they're asking the judge for a little more time to file their arguments for why they believe this will be dismissed. They also gave him the option to just dismiss it today. I don't think he's going to go for that. He's going to want this fully briefed. But it's notable to me that they asked for a little extra time. The Manhattan DA said, let's get our filings in by December 9th, but they asked for extra time because they want to see what Jack Smith is going to argue by December 2nd in the federal cases. And here, you know, they note the fact that federal prosecutors are winding down their cases, but that's completely different, Pamela, right? Because those are federal cases. If he enters the White House and wants to have those dismissed, he could. He made it clear he will. But state cases are outside the power of the executive branch. So this is a slightly different situation. The team also makes it clear they will continue to pursue their appeal options at the federal level. Sources familiar with their thinking tell me they're pretty confident they're going to get this tossed one way or another. Unclear when Judge Juan Merchan will rule.
I know you'll stay on top of it. Thanks so much, Paula Reed. And just 2 months from Inauguration Day, that's where we are, and Donald Trump's cabinet is rapidly taking shape with only a few roles left to be filled. Last hour.